Yo, check this out, just wake up. That's my view from the window. Mountains. Actually so dope, to be honest. Cool, just pity as the snow is gone. But it's nice view. That's all the mountains on Banff, and if not mistaken, that's the Banff city over there. And then you have a view of the another mountain and the forest. Morning, guys. It's time to explore Banff. So excited about that because it looks cool already since the beginning of the video today. Basically, that's the situation, the lobby of the hotel where we're staying, and the views. There is gondola. We're gonna go actually, maybe later, maybe tomorrow. And the forest itself, the mountains. Banff town is down there in the valley, and you can see this is actually where my room is, somewhere here in the corner. I just realized, but that's the views. Actually cool, and the weather is very beautiful. But it's cool. It's 2 degrees only. We are just arrived looking for McDonald's for breakfast, and wherever you look around, there is simply mountains, 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 mountains. And it's pretty cold. Our hotel is without breakfast, actually looking for McDonald's, and it's 2 degrees at morning, 2! So we'll come back later on to stroll around, but just wanted to show you the McDonald's even looks cool here, with the, like a different traditional style, with the woods and everything. Cool! That's still quiet at morning. We'll come back later afternoon. Let's get inside.
We all live on time we borrow, time our children to us lend. Here today, but gone tomorrow, like a spark flying in the wind. We all look up to our fathers, all our lives if all is right, and we all need our mothers when the day is dark as night, and the drums of war are getting louder, a sound you never heard before. Gonna come to your town, gonna find your corner, and we'll soon be knocking on your door.
After a quick breakfast, going to Lake Louise, one of the most popular lakes here. Beautiful landscapes, and also the roads here are just beautiful, and the beautiful scenery everywhere. So I will show you a little bit around, and then I will see you where's the lake. I'm going today with my friends here. They are shy, still sleepy, but just mute the music because I will got the copyright. And yeah, I will show you actually what is at the front of me, because the landscapes here are really, really nice. Yeah, like literally they make a bridge for the trees, the tunnel for the trees. That's cool actually. They're really taking care of their environment here, in the forest and the mountains everywhere. And then up there, the actually snow, like a lot of snow.
Someone pulls an easy trigger, puts another to the ground in disbelief, staring at his fingers, through which his blood runs with his life, and the drums of war are getting louder, a sound you never heard before. Gonna come to your town, gonna find your corner, and we'll soon be knocking on your door. Are there right in front of us, for so long buried in the snow. Yes, here we are, shining diamonds burning bridges as we go. And the drums of war are getting louder, a sound you never heard before. Gonna come to your town, gonna find your corner, and we'll soon be knocking on your door. Gonna come to your town, gonna find your corner, and we'll soon be knocking on your door.
Alright guys, after beautiful scenic drive, I mean I make so many videos, I'm so sorry if it was too long, but for me it was like wow. In general, we arrived to the one of the most popular place in whole entire Canada country, Lake Louise. It's actually on the bottom of this mountain, what you see, and this is like a parking area. Going there, it's like a 5-6 degrees, so hoodie like this one is perfect. Beautiful weather, sunny day. Just hope so you're gonna enjoy, because this is definitely already gonna tell you one of the most beautiful places I visited in the world, so it's cool. From the parking area is like a little trek down to the lake. I can actually already see the lake over there. It's very fresh air, and I'm gonna tell you, it's very chilly as well. It's like 4-6 degrees. Yes, bro, would you like to say something? Okay, lake is there, guys, but it's actually really cool. Look at the snow over there in the mountains. Okay, see you on the bottom of the lake there. That's the Fairmont Hotel, and here we go, guys. This is what I'm talking about. If this one is not impressive, I don't know what else would be, because it's so cool. I'm gonna tell you, it's cool as the weather is cool. It's so beautiful. Check this out. I'm gonna have to get closer to the spot where I know people. It's so dope. Alright guys, this is it. That's the Lake Louise in Alberta, Canada. One of the most beautiful places here in Canada, and definitely highly recommended. I'm so happy as I came here, and definitely without any doubts, without lying to myself or to you guys, this is one of the most beautiful places in the world what I visited. It's just so beautiful. Even there's like a 2, 3, 4 degrees, no problem. It's even better as it's actually cool and a beautiful view. Just really cool, amazing, I'm gonna tell you. Yes, the weather is like this one is actually cool, because that's the whole vibe of the atmosphere like this one. It must be cool. Cannot be like 30 degrees of hot and the view like this one. That is so cool. I mean, just look at this one. Isn't that cool? So beautiful. Little bit of the sounds and the view of the mountains river. There is actually the Fairmont Hotel in the background, so you could potentially come and stay here. But the most important is the view of the Lake Louise. And I'm so happy actually, as on the top of the mountain there is the snow. So cool. Even the cool weather not bother me. People coming here from all around the world basically, literally, to make a visit this place, and the weather is no bother to anybody. Actually, weather is beautiful, to be honest. It's just so cool. Check this out. And also some people do the canoe. You can go there. It's just beautiful. It's just so cool. This one probably even beat the Niagara Falls. However, Niagara Falls was amazing, but this one is even better. Both of them, they're actually top. There's also a lot of wildlife here, grizzly bears. Actually, they're really here. Have to be careful actually about them. Mooses and many of the other animals. I wish actually to see, but from the distance, not very close to me. And generally, as you can see, you cannot go wrong with it. It's just so beautiful here. That's without any doubts. And overall, I'm not gonna say that much more because I don't know what to say, but the view is just really amazing, spectacular. That's what I can tell you guys. If you ever come to Canada, don't even think to don't visit the Banff if you can. I was thinking like maybe I should go, maybe not, but eventually I came. I'm really impressed. It's just simply beautiful and you cannot go wrong with it. It's just cool. And now when it's golden, autumn is even probably one of the most beautiful times to visit this. Later in November, December, the lake and everything here will be, there will be snowing, there will be lake getting frozen, so it's also beautiful. But right now it's just simply wonderful. Beautiful. We're gonna go visit another lake, obviously, because there are many. I mean, you cannot go wrong, and we'll show you more beautiful places here.
If you feel that life is passing you time. Don't go looking, babe, here I am. Now if you want a real good friend, or if you need some sweet loving, or if you're looking for someone who won't pretend, don't go looking, babe, here I am. Why just crawl when you could be flying? Life's just a flash, forever dying. The shortest space between hell and goodbye. There ain't no use to sit around crying for all I know. So if you look at life like from a side, when chances they all keep sliding away, there's just one thing to remember, though it's hard, no matter where you go, babe, there you are. Why just crawl when you could be flying? Life is just a flash, forever dying. The shortest space between hell and goodbye. There ain't no use to sit around crying when we are all you've been trying to find. No need looking, babe, here I am. No more looking, 'cause here I am.
Now, after being here for a while, I feel like when I come back to Poland, I should visit the Polish mountains, because we also have mountains in Poland and lakes and stuff, but I never ever been there. So maybe actually when I come back, I should go and visit. I still have a time. That would be cool, right? Must be also beautiful. Probably not like here, but also beautiful. Overall, there's a lot of trails. You can climb up there, or you can walk around the lake. Actually, plenty of options. And there's the fresh air. This is like completely zero pollution here. Landscapes is actually very similar, like you are walking somewhere in European Alps, maybe in Switzerland, maybe in Austria. But overall, this is like a vibe. Definitely healthy lifestyle here, that's for sure. It's just cool. What I'm gonna tell you is just really cool. Not sure what should I say more, otherwise I will just make a b-roll, but it's just definitely super cool. It's just lovely and so enjoyable.
On my way down memory lane, you and me long time ago, and we were teens with tremendous dreams, always playing king and queen. We had set our minds to leave, face the world on wheels, cross the borders of Morocco, take a journey to Dubai, fight the pirates stuck in Disneyland Paris, take a swim in salty water, drinking stars and holy sun, and then we cross America. Looking back about 20 years or so, when I close my eyes I see We're tripping with beliefs. Ooh, and our hearts were young and free. We had set our minds to leave, face the world on wheels, cross the borders on Morocco, take a journey to Dubai, fight the pirates stuck in Disneyland Paris, take a swim in salty water, drinking stars and holy sun, and then we cross America. Cross the borders on Morocco, take a journey to Dubai, fight the pirates stuck in Disneyland Paris, then we cross America. Swim in salty water, drinking stars and holy sun, and then we cross America. We had set our minds to leave, face the world on wheels, cross the borders on Morocco, take a journey to Dubai, fight the pirates stuck in Disneyland Paris, take a swim in salty water to this crazy melody, oh, and then we cross America.
After the exciting morning and half afternoon, we arrived to the Banff city. I promise you I'm gonna show you Banff city today because it's beautiful weather, and definitely I have to show you the Banff city. It's beautiful town, I'm gonna tell you. Like a resort, mountain resort town, little bit European vibe everywhere around, actually 360 degrees. There will be mountains, so cool. I'm gonna show you, gonna stroll around, and well, what I'm gonna tell you is super cool over here. So basically that's the city of Banff. Beautiful town. I'm gonna tell you, weather is beautiful and the town looks beautiful with so many beautiful buildings and overall businesses around, restaurants and the cafes, and overall they make it a walking street here as they closed this street for the cars, so it's even more cooler. And of course the mountains in the background. This is something what you don't see every day. Definitely now I feel like when I come back to Europe I wanna go to mountains. Polish mountains and Alps, definitely. I can feel it, that's the vibes for me. Even it's cold maybe for many of you guys because I can read the comments as you guys don't like cold, but for me, this is something what I'm never gonna get bored. The views like this one. Overall, that's the city of Banff, like this one. I have so many shops. Like I said, the trees already changing the colors. It's already like autumn, so it's a little bit different than summertime, obviously. But maybe I'm gonna focus what we can find here. Banff, Harley Davidson, for example, and actually more central location, more people. There are definitely a lot of interesting shops. It's without doubts. Still quite a lot of tourist visitors in general. So this is it, and that's the place with the cows, the ice cream place, obviously. Traditional Canada's ice cream shop, so as you can see, and even some restaurants, even it's cold, even it was 2 degrees this morning, they still having like places where you can sit on the street, simply like this one, which is cool. And then what is it, this building at the front, there's Starbucks, I can see. This is like a junction here. I'm gonna come back to the middle of the street and show you. This is actually like a most iconic shot of Banff town, where there is the mountain. During the later, when it's already snow on the top, is even better because obviously there is snow, but you can already feel how's the vibe here in general. So I think that's the bar restaurant. Yeah, overall the bars in this gray building. I'm gonna show you, there's another mountain, little road. This town is actually very little in general, but overall this is how does it look like. And here is very nice looking place. This is like a town center building. So many restaurants and the cafes, Starbucks at the corner, of course, must to be the best location. They're always taking the best ones. They're actually beating the McDonald's with the locations nowadays. And then is the Maple Leaf. That's the hotel actually. Also very cool. overall very cool vibes in this little town. Just like a freestyle little bit of everything I'm gonna show you. Cool, very, very cool indeed. And not actually that quiet as I thought. There's quite a lot of people in general coming in, so that's cool. Galleries, crystals, a lot of interesting shops, and overall that's the vibe. It's a part of the city only. So beautiful architecture, actually nice place. Starbucks. This is like a walking street, and here is like the most busy part actually. You can find so many interests. This is very Canadian stuff actually over here. So overall a lot of souvenir stores, and the hats and the clothes and the brands, and the overall, I mean, and the views of the mountains like this one and everything, and you can walk on the street and the mountains and the birds is flying, and then churches over there, and I mean it's just really cool. Grizzly house, steak house, cheese fond. This one looks cool actually, very dope indeed. A lot of interesting stuff. Really a lot of interesting stuff. Cool, very cool indeed. It's also a free shuttle from our hotel. Basically we can come directly for free, which is also cool. Nice initiative. And overall, well, I think I'm gonna show you a little bit of walking, but with the music, because it's like, well, cool, but totally have no idea what I can say. It's just like, I'm impressed. That's for sure. That's what I'm gonna tell you. And actually, even more impressed is there's not that quiet when I thought at the beginning. It's actually quite a lot of people. Big company. That's actually cool. It's like a Banff national traditional clothes and stuff, decorations. A lot of places. Actually, there's a lot of shops. And this building here, it's also very cool. Like a nice traditional mountainish vibe. And I'm gonna tell you very European vibe, very European feeling basically here. With this particular building here, even there's a Seoul country Korean restaurant actually. But overall very cool. I'm just pity as this mountain is not covered by the snow. It will be even more better, more cooler. But nothing to complain about. Really nothing to complain about. But of course could be better with the snow on it. But during the winter here, guys, during the winter here, I can only imagine what's the vibe around. That must be so cool. Especially during the Christmas time, and everything is so shiny, so many lights, and the overall vibes, Santa Claus and all of this stuff. Didn't see in the grizzly bear, but I can see in the shop, and the chocolates are around. Bro, you're gonna make a selfie with me. Hold the camera, bro. Somebody hold the camera. That's me. Cool. That's on the video actually. Yeah, that's the picture. This one, but that's my grizzly bear. Huh? High five? Okay, cool. Yeah, I have to cut this off later. Cool.
You want to leave this place where we grew up, this old town, just put it all behind. Remember you and I would always find somewhere to hide when we were kids, so we could see and hear the water run. The river's gonna cry when you're gone. River's gonna cry when you're gone, 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 gone. River's river's gonna cry when you're gone, 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 gone. River's gonna cry when you're gone, 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 gone. River's gonna cry when you're. River's gonna cry when you're. River's gonna cry when you're gone. Hoping you would stay, but I've always known you would go find your own way. I still see when we climbed up in those trees, 12 years old, feel the wind and watch the river run.
And this is it, guys. Beautiful, beautiful place. Overall, Banff is definitely top. One of the best places and things what I visited in my life. 100% recommended. And this is the end of the day. One very long video, special length of the video for the special place in the world. So I could say thanks so much for watching. Hope so you enjoy and you bear with me till this moment, till very end. See you tomorrow. Another video from Banff. I'm staying here for today, so today is video number 1. Tomorrow will be video number 2. See ya.